Hello everyone, this is Mr. B from Simple Trade, and today I want to talk to you about a ticker by the name PHIL. And I want to concentrate on the time frame between May 21st to June 22nd. And I want to examine what was the reason for the increasement in volume and stock price. If we go to the company's Twitter, we can see the CEO started a sequence of tweets on May 15. He said, "Dear valued shareholders, I wanted to be transparent in providing this update. We just filed a 10Q form for March 20 quarter, as there were some small changes that had to be made regarding the June 20th 10K form. Due to circumstances beyond our control, we expect delay for approximately 2-3 more weeks." He also said that all necessary filings will get done, and we will definitely get the company current. And also, it looks forward to sharing many exciting things that he's unable to discuss until we are current. And I'm sure you will agree it was worth the wait. As you can see, the hype is beautifully constructed. The volume is increasing day by day, as is the stock price, while people are loading stocks in anticipation of news from the CEO. So if we go back to Twitter, we can see that on June 18th, the CEO tweeted that PHI Group is invited to present at Next Emerging Growth Conference on June 23rd. And that's basically what started the 4-day rally in the stock price that at its peak reached a price of 0.0198. So if you bought some shares right here where the volume started to rise, you could earn 700% on your initial investment, which is quite nice in a period of about a month. If you liked the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and of course join us at our Discord trading community. I was Mr. B, see you next time.